Product length is 2.76 inches, 70 mm. Par 36 bulb type 4.5 inches in diameter. The package height of the product is 9.398 centimeters. Country of origin: China. Wagner lighting products have been on the leading edge of automotive lighting since the development of the sealed beam headlamp. We understand the importance of OE fit and form replacement parts. Top reviews from the United States. Great Garden Tractor Replacement Light. Bought these to replace a pair of headlights on an 80s Montgomery Wards garden tractor. They are of good quality and fit and light up as they should. 35 watts each. Only difference from my old GE lights and these Wagner 4411s is they have screw terminals versus spade push-on. Not a big deal if you have what you need to make that work. Happy with the lights and the price.